Keeping Quiet, Part 2. The poet further says, those who prepare great wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade, doing nothing. Now, after telling us that both the nature and the human beings will be able to recover once there will be stillness, once there will be peace and quiet on this earth, he further goes to tell us that those who prepare green wars. Now, the poet says that those who wage wars on the human beings with the gas or the fires or against the environment or any sort of war, उसने तीन तरह के वॉर की बात की है. ग्रीन वॉर मीन्स वॉर अगेंस्ट द environment. Wars with gas, wars with fire, these two types of wars are against human beings. Okay, that is the use of chemicals or the poisonous gases and creating lots and lots of violence which creates havoc on this face of the earth. So the poet says that these wars, they leave nothing, they leave no survivors to celebrate the victory. ये ऐसे wars हैं, there is nobody who will be left behind to celebrate the victory of these wars. Then he says, would put on. Now he urges, he requests, he says that such men, those who wage wars against environment or those who wage wars against the humanity, these men should stop their activity, should stop these wars and shed their clothes. Would put on clean clothes. इन लोगों को जो है अपने blood से सने हुए, they should stop they should put off their clothes which are stained with the blood of humanity. And they should put on the clothes which have brotherhood. इसका मतलब ये है, clean clothes means they should wage no wars and walk about with their brothers means they should follow brotherhood. ठीक है, उन लोगों को क्या करना चाहिए, वो कपड़े जो कि ब्लड से सने हुए हैं, जिस पे कि ह्यूमैनिटी का खून है, उन कपड़ों को उतार देना चाहिए और ब्रदरहुड, यूनिवर्सल ब्रदरहुड को अपना लेना चाहिए. द पोएट हेयर मीन्स टू से दैट द वॉर, दिस वर्ल्ड विच इज़ अर्जिंग दीज वॉर्स, वॉर टोन जो ये वर्ल्ड है, इट शुड बी रिप्लेस्ड विद अ वर्ल्ड विच इज़ फुल ऑफ पीस, क्वाइट, हार्मनी एंड brotherhood. Then further he says, what I want should not be confused. These are very, very important lines. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death. Now poet says that he wants he gives a clarification. Poets बड़े आराम से यहाँ पे clarification देते हैं. He's saying that what I'm saying, it should not be taken as that I want a total inactivity. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं sluggishness चाहता हूँ, कि मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि कुछ भी एक्टिविटी ना हो अर्थ पे, अर्थ जो है बिना एक्टिविटी के हो जाए. It is not that. Rather he says that he wants that there should not be any death, there should not be any violence which is associated with death. He says that life is meant to be lived. See, he's saying life is what it is about. He says life is so beautiful with activity. Life बहुत अच्छी लगती है एक्टिविटी के साथ में, and it should be lived, it should be enjoyed, it should not be associated with death. I want no truck with death. Life should not be associated with death. Rather life should be enjoyed. Inactivity का मतलब नहीं है, there should be only few minutes, few moments of inactivity where everybody is silent, where everybody is peaceful. They should self introspect themselves, they should self assess themselves कि हम कहाँ गलत हैं, हम इस ह्यूमैनिटी के लिए कहाँ गलत कर रहे हैं, हम एनवायरनमेंट के लिए कहाँ गलत कर रहे हैं. That should be the time of self introspection, and a new direction, new life, new inspiration should be taken from that. Now further poet says, if I were not so single minded about keeping our lives moving, for once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt the sadness of never ending ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. So poet says, if we were not so single minded, poet कहता है, he says further that people should stop if we were not so single minded. Single minded means selfishness, okay, self centeredness. तो poet कहता है कि we should not be self centered, we should not be self centered, selfish about keeping our lives moving. हमें सिर्फ अपनी लाइफ से मतलब नहीं होना चाहिए. We should not move only our lives. Rather, for one moment, we should not think of keeping our own lives. For once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence. Then he says, for 1 minute we should stop all this thinking about ourselves and create a huge silence which will arise from such moment. कह रहे हमें क्या करना चाहिए? For once could do nothing. कुछ 1 मिनट के लिए हमें कुछ नहीं करना चाहिए. We should have that silence, we should have that peace. Perhaps this huge silence, और ये huge silence इस sadness को, इस self centeredness को हटाएगा. It will interrupt that. It will end this self centeredness, this selfishness of the people. It will help them to introspect, to overcome their sadness which has come from understanding, from their failure of understanding themselves. Now see, of never understanding themselves, we have not understood ourselves. लोग अपने आप को अच्छे से समझ नहीं पाते. And of threatening ourselves with death, we are threatening ourselves with the death. We are not understanding. हमें इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए. ये जो ह्यूज साइलेंस आएगा ये इस सैडनेस को इंटरप्ट करेगा, उसे दूर करेगा, और तभी हम अपने आप को अच्छे से समझ पाएंगे. Then only this moment of silence will give us time to understand ourselves better. People have threatened, हमने अपने आप को इतना थ्रेटन कर लिया डेथ से, by so much of activity, by so much of noise, by so much of destruction, कि हम अपने आप को भी समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं. तो पोएट कहता है कुछ देर के लिए ही क्यों ना हो हम साइलेंट हो जाएं बिल्कुल और अपने आप को समझें. एंड अगेन दीज लास्ट लाइन्स आर अगेन वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. परहैप्स द अर्थ कैन टेल अस. नाउ द पोएट सेज परहैप्स वी शुड टेक द लेसन फ्रॉम दिस मदर अर्थ. वो कह रहा है अर्थ जो है सबसे बड़ा टीचर है, हमें इस अर्थ से सबक लेना चाहिए. एज वेन एवरीथिंग सीम्स डेड एंड लेटर प्रूव्स टू बी अलाइव. पोएट कहता है कि हमें इससे क्या सबक लेना चाहिए कि अर्थ में सब कुछ एवरीवेयर द अर्थ इज़ क्वाइट, ऐसा लगता है कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है अर्थ पर, बट स्लोली लाइफ process of life goes on in the earth. Then we can better understand this with an example. Poet कहता है कि जैसे कि for example सीड है, सीड appears to be very dead. सीड जो है बिल्कुल डेड लगता है, विदाउट एक्टिविटी लगता है, बट फ्रॉम दैट सीड a big huge tree is born. And so we should take this great lesson next in the next video.